Take a ride in the 2018 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.